Hello, Dean. How you doing today? Sean Shute here from West End Nissan. Just wanted to thank you very much for taking the time to inquire with us on our awesome 2020 Infiniti Q50. This is the Sport Edition, so it's not the Pure and it's not the Red Sport, but it is the middle trim, so you still get the 3-liter turbo. Still definitely a really fun car to drive. And if you were looking for the highest trim, we could do the modification if you are looking to soup it up, so you could get that extra horsepower and the suspension, the handling, all that good stuff. But here it is. Would love to show you this vehicle in person, but just want to show you that it is here. We don't bait and switch vehicles online to get people in the door. Just want to see when you can finally come into the dealership to take it for a test drive. Car's absolutely immaculate. You can eat off the floors in here. Very clean vehicle. I mean, it has such low K and it's barely even pre-owned, so just wanted to show you. Want to see when you might be able to come in, so I'll send you an email here with this video. Just let me know what's going to work best for you, when you can stop by, and I'll make sure to have the car pulled up and all ready to go before you get here. Hope you're having an awesome start to your morning. Look forward to hearing back from you. Bye for now.